Hey there, it's Mindy, and I want to show you how to create this modern Christmas centerpiece complete with a minimal wood box DIY and wood ornaments. Let's get started. First, to make the box, you'll need some 1 by 2 pieces of wood, and I had these in my garage. I wanted nice finished corners for my shallow box, so I set my miter saw to make a bevel cut, which just means the angle is going along the edge of the wood board. Once I had my first piece cut, I just used that to measure up for the second. So I cut the two long sides of my box and then I set it up to decide how wide I wanted it. The long sides of my box are 14 inches from corner to corner and the short sides are 5.5. To assemble my box, I just used some wood glue, which worked perfectly for this. And painter's tape is a great helper for glue projects like this. And the base of this tray is just a piece of scrap paneling that I had and I cut to fit inside of the frame. I wanted to add some more wood elements to my centerpiece, so I used these wood balls from Hobby Lobby to create some faux ornaments. I just used some black acrylic paint to paint some patterns. And then you'll see in a second, I pulled some ornament caps with the hanging piece off of some older ornaments to glue onto each wood ball to create a faux ornament. And here are the 3 designs I came up with. If you're going to do this, it may be easier to place the ornament cap and trace a little circle just so you know where the glue is going to end up. So I sliced some thin pieces of floral foam to the base of my box to elevate some candles. And I'm going to add some greenery and floral picks. And I'm just going to let you watch my process here. And here is my modern Christmas centerpiece on my kitchen table. I love that this centerpiece is minimal but also very festive with the metallic accents. I'd love to know if you use a centerpiece on your kitchen or dining table, and if you do, what style do you enjoy? Go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed it and found some inspiration in it, and subscribe for more DIY home decor inspiration. As always, thanks for watching.